Infinity goes to the ceiling. The cake is the boundless bit of thrilling. No more yawning in the third hour. It is nothing short of empowering. Test and trial and error. See the path that's clearer. It's pulsating. Time is slowing. The warmth is around where we are going. It's in the cracks and fissures in every room. The pleasure, no card needed. Erase traces. It's quite clear why it's misinformed. Delightful eating, a gastric settling. Please know the cake is not